In the next few minutes ay maririnig mo ang isang industry na nagtitrending ngayon sa buong mundo. Madidiscover mo dito ang isang powerful system at platform that revolutionizing this industry. Makikilala mo ang isang company at opportunity na magbibigay ng financial and time freedom from all walks of life. And the best part is, malalaman mo kung paano magiging parte nito. Ang industry na ito ay ang e-commerce. Ang isa sa pinaka-trending at pinakamalaking business ngayon sa buong mundo. In fact, according to Forbes magazine ng 2018, si Jeff Bezos na CEO at owner ng Amazon ay ang pinakamayamang tao ngayon sa buong mundo dahil sa business na ito. Sa kasalukuyan, aabot sa $1.9 trillion ang industry ng e-commerce. At ang statistics estimate that in the next few years ay lalago ang industriyang ito up to $4.8 trillion, making it the fastest growing business in the world. What if you have a business that almost 22% of the population or over 1.6 billion people na bumibili ng mga kailangan at gusto nila gamit ang platform na ito? What if 95% ng gagawin mo sa pagkakaroon ng ganitong negosyo ay nakahanda na para sa iyo? Without leaving your home, jeopardizing your work, even your existing business. Well, that's exactly what this opportunity platform is all about. Introducing MDP World E-Commerce Platform. MDP World E-Commerce Platform is people life made easy. Can you imagine using this platform? Hindi mo na kailangan pang mag-invest ng malaki sa sarili mong website, bumili ng sarili mong inventory. Hindi mo na din kailangan pumila para mag-collect ng payments sa mga client mo at magpadala ng products katulad sa LBC, JRS, or in any third-party courier. Dahil ang company na ang bahala sa pag-process, pag-accept ng payment at pag-deliver ng order ng client mo. Paano? Because we have our own team and more than 27 branches nationwide and counting na tutulong sa'yo para mag-collect ng payment at mag-deliver ng mga orders ng client mo using our own centralized payment system, centralized inventory and logistics system na hindi mo na kailangan pang lumabas ng bahay mo. Not only that, MDP World na rin ang bahala sa pagre-research at pagde-develop ng mga trending products tulad ng weight loss, beauty, food, supplement, healthy beverages at iba't iba pang mga produkto na madali nang ibenta sa market with high quality, effective and very competitive price na pwede kang kumita up to 40% retail profit. With our long experience in online marketing, alam na namin kung ano ang dapat at trending products na pwede mong ibenta online. With this powerful platform, mas makakapag-focus ka sa pag-market ng mga products at ng business mo, which helps you to create financial and time freedom para sa'yo at sa family mo. Instead of spending lots of money making your own website or e-commerce store, MDP World created a system that allows you to have your own e-commerce website that you can easily share or advertise to your friends and prospects to any social media sites like Facebook. A powerful platform that you can generate thousands, hundred thousands, or even millions of gross sales every month.
My name is Richard Tolentino, isang online marketer from Angeles City, Pampanga. At dahil sa ganda ng platform nila, nakapag-generate ako ng personal sales na almost 900,000 pesos.
Good morning, my name is Alben Bisera from Bayambang Nueva Vizcaya. So, nung na-introduce sa akin ng isang company na may kakaibang sistema, talagang doon ko na-boost yung sales ko. So, in just 2 months, nakapag-generate tayo ng almost 500,000 na gross sales. And kumita na din tayo ng almost 200,000 na net profit.
Hello everyone, my name is Eddie Mark Bangit from Pampanga. Sa ganda po ng platform nito, I was able to generate a net profit of 400,000 in 5 months. So laking tulong po talaga nitong business na to para po sa amin.
Hello po, good morning. Ako po pala si Jomo Bauto from Cabanatuan City. So almost 4 months ko na po siyang tinatrabaho. Kahit pa paano po nakapag-generate po tayo ng sales ng almost 1 million po. So ang kinita ko po doon is almost 300,000. So,
my name is Michelle Costales. I'm a registered nurse by profession and I'm from Olongapo City, Zambales. So I've been part of the business for almost 6 weeks right now. At nakakatuwa kasi sa loob ng 6 weeks na yon, nakapag-generate ako ng sales na almost 842,000 in just 6 weeks. And sa loob ng 6 weeks na yon, nagkaroon ako ng income na 250,000 in just 51 days.
My name is Mark Jimenez. I'm from Mexico, Pampanga. Using this online platform, nakapag-generate na po ako ng almost 500,000 na sales. Grabe, walang labasan po ng bahay. Ang sobrang nakakatawa dito, yung income ko, okay, kumita na po ako ng almost 6-figure income in just 1 month.
Look, it's no secret this industry is making big with its proven business platform. Jack Ma, CEO of Alibaba and now the richest man in Asia, just started his business a few years ago and now earning billions of dollars every month. Even eBay, Amazon, and Lazada. But look how big they are now. It's obvious. With all this CEO decision making that made billions of dollars using this business platform, we call that a clue. Join us now and start your own exciting MDP World e-commerce home-based business, getting into the ground floor of e-commerce revolution. Discover a company with its proven, effective, and powerful e-commerce platform that made this online business easy for you. Welcome to the new era of e-commerce. Welcome to MDP World. Because here in MDP World, we will make our dreams possible.